Hazrat Sayyid bin Jubair narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, when the verse, "And, O beloved, warn your nearest kinsmen," was revealed, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out, ascended the mountain Safa, and said, Ya Sabah, be alert. The people said, Who is he? Then they came and assembled beside him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Tell me, if I inform you that the cavalry regiment of the enemy is about to make an onslaught on you emerging from the foot of the hill, will you consider me true? The people said, We have never heard you telling a lie. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I then warn you of the severe retribution which is right before you. Thereupon Abu Lahab said, May you perish. Did you assemble us only for this purpose? He then got up, whereupon this verse was revealed. Perished be the two hands of Abu Lahab, and he is already perished. Amash, that they read it in the same way. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4971.